All right, I'm gonna make a pumpkin spice cookie, and I'm creaming together 1 cup of butter and 1 cup of sugar.
Okay.
And from you, I need 3 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, like a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Kind of a traditional holiday cookie recipe.
Yes, exactly. And I've got vanilla flavoring, and I've got a little rum extract. You know, Suzette and Amy and Rick and Allison
It is
just
so
left.
good when we get to see them.
I know it, isn't it
I've
fun?
known Suzette longer than I've known Bobby.
Amy and Suzette is my best friend's children. Their mother and I became best friends when we were both 19 years old. We were both pregnant, and these children have been raised like brothers and sisters. We used to put y'all in the car. Of course, we didn't have to have a car seat for you. We had those carry-ons, and
I
we
used to ride in the back ledge of the car.
Yes, you did. And my neck was your seat belt. You stood up beside me in the seat like this.
I won't
Hold
take
on.
Jack to the mailbox without a 5-point harness. How many eggs do you need?
2. But anyway, they...
Remember Suzette was so bad in high school and you used to sit back and go, oh, my friend, poor Susan and her daughter. And then about the time I got out of high school, I went as sideways as she did.
I said, what?
But at least I was...
Yeah, boys are late bloomers. Girls
Yeah.
start earlier being bad. And then they settle down quicker. But,
It only took me 20 years to settle down.
well, honey, let me tell you, it usually takes a man till he's about 40 before he really starts getting ripe.
Yeah, we beat into submission by 40.
But anyway, Suzette and Amy just left, and they brought me a rum cake. That's what I was talking about, rum flavoring.
Did they make it?
No, Suzette, you know, works at the drive-through restaurant there at Wagner's, and that girl has to get up like 4 every morning, 4:30.
The restaurant business is not for babies.
No, it ain't for sissies. But so she doesn't have time. I'm gonna eyeball this, about a teaspoon, a healthy teaspoon.
That's why we quit doing breakfast.
But anyway, she had one of her customers brings her a rum cake every now and again, because Suzette's cooking all day, but it's what they serve at Wagner's. So would you go around?
She's tired of barbecue like I'm tired of fried chicken.
You know, I couldn't believe when Jamie said he was tired of fried chicken. And I said, you are what? All right, so I've got this all creamed up, got our flavorings in. If you would just kind of add that, you know, just a couple of scoops at the time. And we're just gonna drop this on the cookie sheet, and then we're gonna go get Jack. And I hope he likes these cookies so I can become super guinea. The other night, Jack was over here, and he said, Guinea, let's make some blue cookies. I said, okay. I keep colored sprinkles in my pantry, so I'm ready at the drop of a hat. All right, son, we're gonna do 6 to a pan, okay? Or you can do 22, whatever. Because, see, we're making these big. All right, in the oven, and I mean, it's gonna take every second. 350, 10 minutes.
It's still hot from our roast.
I know. So I'll go bottom shelf. You can have the top one. Got to taste a little of the cookie dough. Eat your lunch now so we can do the cookies. And we've got to decide how we want to decorate them. Kids love the little sprinkles. They love candy. They love bright colors. And they love creating. What?
Icing!
Yeah, Daddy's gonna make some icing for us. He's mixing together, y'all, a package of cream cheese, a stick of butter, 3 cups of powdered sugar, and I'm adding in a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. All right, Daddy. Look, Jack.
Do I look pretty?
It's beautiful. You know what I want to put on it?
What?
My lips. Uh-oh, have to lick it off.
No. Yummy icing.
What'd I tell you? You said you didn't like pumpkin spice. I knew you did. I love this one. I'm gonna do mine like yours. Well, let's toast.